Okay, so now we're back with the previous line journal page that we previously created. If I wanted wider lines, I could delete some of these rows and then just simply spread out my line there. If I wanted to have different color lines, I could do that by changing the pen color. So if I chose blue here, I'm going to go back and I'm going to say inside horizontal lines, and just like that, that changes my color. Okay, I could create a different layout by duplicating the page, and then I could delete some of the more of the rows. So I could bring this down, spread out my lines a little bit more, or I could shrink them, totally up to you. But then I can include a box shape, and I'm going to change this to be filled with white. I'm going to leave that outline to the blue is fine. And then like that, just like that, I've created a different journal layout page that someone could, they could either do some drawing, or you could leave this space right here to where you could include a prompt for your person. So if I included that and brought that up, that's one. I could also create another layout quickly by duplicating the slide and moving my lines in. And I could change my box to be on the left, my lines on the right, and I can increase, um, insert some more rows and move this up. You'll notice down here, this line is still black, and that was because that's not an inside line. That is a bottom line there. So you would want to change your bottom line there, and then that would change that to actually black. I didn't catch that on the previous one. So that's a different layout. You can make this smaller and bring your lines over more. So with just simple shapes and the table format, table, you can quickly create different style of journaling pages. I could duplicate this and say, for instance, if I wanted, I'm gonna delete some of these, and I'm gonna spread it out a little bit. And instead of a rectangle, I could choose a different shape, and I could do a circle or an oval here, and I can fill it with white, and you can change your outline weight if you want it to be bigger or larger. That's totally up to you. So that's a design that you could do. It's totally up to you, and it's very simple to easily change up these journal pages with PowerPoint. And it's just a really quick way to create some journaling pages without having to have any really what they consider professional design software like Photoshop or anything like that. Okay, I hope that helps. Bye bye.